Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. So today real quick, we're just talking about the Tusk 2-stroke transmission oil change kits. If you need to change the oil on your 2-stroke, whether it's a dirt bike or an ATV, these kits just eliminate the guesswork. So when you're on our website, you can find them there. You can click the link in this video just to head over to our website now. You just enter the year, make, and model on the product page. And when you do that, what's nice, and why I say that these eliminate the guesswork, is because after you've entered in your bike or ATV's information, there's a drop-down menu, and we've gone through and we looked at all the oil weights that your manufacturer recommends for your machine, so you don't have to worry about what oil weight do I need if you're not quite sure. If maybe you've lost your owner's manual, you bought a bike used, doesn't matter. It will tell you what oil weight that your bike needs, and we give you a lot of different options there. So whether it's Motul, Motorex, Maxima, Bel-Ray, if you have a preferred brand of oil that you would like to use, you'll have it there in that drop-down menu. The other nice thing too is that it makes sure that you don't have to worry about how much oil you need. Because if your bike or your ATV only needs, say, 1 bottle of oil, you'll just get 1 bottle. But if it uses more than 1 bottle, you'll get 2 bottles. So you don't have to worry about, do I need 1 or 2 bottles? The other nice thing too is that it will come with either a crush washer or O-rings, just depending on the bike or ATV that you have. So if you need one of those, that will also come included. And then lastly, when you buy one of these kits, it will come with a Tusk disposable funnel. Now, if you want to upgrade your funnel, we do have 3 options available. You've got the smaller one here. We've also got a small and a large that have the flexible hose. So again, if you're doing a 2-stroke transmission oil change and you want to eliminate guesswork and just going to get everything all in one-stop shop, these kits are the way to go. We got a lot of great how-to videos for different bikes that you can also watch as well for ATVs. So if you've never changed the oil on your bike, refer to those videos and they will help you out. If you want to stay up to date on cool videos like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.